Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to type E with accent here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Typing an accented E or other accented characters in Adobe Express or any other Adobe programs depends on your operating system and keyboard settings. All right. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project that you are working or design that you are dealing right now. And of course, open that so we can together type an E with an accent. But if you haven't already, just go to the template section right here. You can browse amazing designs to begin your work. But if you want to upload your own content, just click this button right here. Now, basically, an E with an accent, all right, there's no feature for that here in Adobe Express because the functionality of your keyboard and operating system will do that for you, all right? Now, what you can do, though, is just go to the, say, for example, type it on your keyboard pad. For example, this, you can press Control apostrophe and then E. All right, because what will happen if you do that, you would have this accented text, and from here you can copy this to your design here in Adobe Express. Now if you want to use this, for example, you're putting an anime right here because it's accentuated, right? So you can all do all this. If you're using a Mac, you might want to press and hold the E key. A small menu for accented options will appear. You can use your mouse or press the corresponding number key to select the desired accent. All right. For accented E, Option plus E, then you can also do that. On the smartphone or tablet, tap and hold the key on the virtual keyboard. A pop-up menu will accent options will appear. Of course, you can slide to the desired accent and release. All right, so you can all do that. Or for example, you're working with word like resume, like saute, there's a lot. Or for example, you're a fan of an artist called Beyonce, so you can achieve all this by using a simple stroke in your keyboard. All right, again, it depends on the keyboard settings and of course your operating system, but basically that's it. All right, and this method works across all the Adobe programs, including Adobe Express, Photoshop, and Illustrator. And from here, once you have the accented E, you might want to change the font size to whatever font style you want to choose to make it a little bit more creative. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.